Hello and welcome to Financeable on this new video on how to log in into Kia Auto Finance account. So if you are new here, subscribe and press the notification bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming further videos. Let's get started. So first you need to open the web browser of website. After that you need to go to the source bar that is on the top and type Kia Auto Finance login and press enter in the keyboard. After that the source user will be shown to you and you just need to click on the first source user, that is Kia Finance America. And when you are inside the website, in the top right corner there is an icon, 3-line icon. You just have to click on that icon and you will see that there is an login option. Just click on the login option and this portal will be opened in front of you. So if you haven't registered, then you can just create an account. Create account button is right next to login button in the bottom, and when you click on the create account button, new portal will be opened for you to create an account and follow the instruction and procedure provided to you by Kia Auto, and you will be able to create an account. And after creation of account, you will be sent back or redirected to the login portal, and here you just need to enter your username in the username box, and here you need to enter the password in the password box. And if you have forgotten your username or password, you can just click on the forgot your username or password that is above the login button and you will be able to retrieve it. And after retrieving it, you just need to fill up the username and password and just click on the login button and you will be able to log in into Kia Auto Finance account. So if this video is helpful to you, give a thumbs up button. Thank you.